Want to know how to update your Audacity application? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you have done that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. Now, once you are on this screen, here you should be seeing various interfaces, and on top you should be seeing a navigation bar as well. So, checking for updates or updating your Audacity is super simple. Here you can just head on to help, that should be right beside tools, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing check for updates, that should be right below linkaudio.com account. So once you have selected check for updates, here you should be seeing any new updates. So if there are any updates, so for me it's 3.7.5. so right here you can see change logs as well. You can also read more from GitHub and then select install update or select skip, so it's your choice. So you can just simply select install update to install and open your latest update in Audacity, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Once the update is done, just simply restart your Audacity application and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.